Okay. 5 is the common factor of which numbers? P and Q. Correct? Please respond. 5 is the common factor of P and Q. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
But what is our assumption? What is our
Ma'am, co-prime.
co-primes? Means
Co-prime.
common factor. But we get 5 is the common factor.
Common factor.
So our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? Root 5 is rational. So our assumption is wrong. Rational opposite is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Okay? Do you understand this sum? In same way, you can solve root 3 is not root 3, root 7. Root 7. Prove that root 7 is irrational. First, what is our assumption?
You speak now. Everybody, you have to communicate.
Root 7 is rational.
Okay.
Root 7 is rational, ma'am.
So, what is our assumption? Let us assume root 7 is
Rational.
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 Rational. What is rational? Next, what is root 7?
And P by Q where Q is not
P
equal
by
to
Q
0.
is
P
not-
by Q where Q is not equal to
Root
0.
7 is
Q
equal to
not
P by
equal to 0. And what are P and Q?
Is co-primes.
P and Q are
Co-primes.
Very good. Co-primes. Next. Next step. What is next
Squaring
step?
on both sides.
Squaring
Squaring
on
on
both sides.
I'm squaring on both sides, ma'am.
Squaring on both sides.
Root 7 the square is equal to P by Q the whole square.
7 is equal to P square by Q square.
Speak everyone.
Root 7.
Root 7. Okay, good. Square root get cancelled. Equation becomes 7 equal to 7 equal
7 is equal to P square by Q square, ma'am.
P square by Q square. Write equations. Write equations for P square and Q square individually.
Square is equal to 7Q square.
7 Q square
Right,
is equal to
individually.
7 Q square is equal to P square.
7Q square, ma'am.
7
P
Q
square.
square.
Next to P, 7 is equal to P square by
First P square equal to 7 Q square. Let this is equation 1.
P square
Next,
is equal to P
write
square by
equation
7.
for Q square.
Q square is equal to
Q square is equal to P square divided by 7.
Square by
Q
7.
square equal to
Q square is equal to P square by 7.
7. So,
7 divides P square. 7 divides P.
apply theorem. Theorem 1.1. According to theorem 1.3. Sorry, 1.3. What is our theorem?
Ma'am, 7 is the prime number. It is divide the P square, ma'am.
7 is the prime number. 7 divides. 7 divides P square.
7 divides P square, then 7 also
7 also divides.
7 also divide P, correct? 7 divides P also. 7 also divide P. And here P is any positive integer. Okay? So, P equal to, it means 7 is the one factor of. 7 is one factor of. One factor of which one?
One factor of P, ma'am.
P. Correct? So, P equal to, how to
7
write?
into M.
7
7
into
into
M.
7 into
7 into
M. So next step, what is next step?
M.
Squaring on both sides now.
Why we squaring on both sides? Means we get the equation in terms are in square format, correct?
Square.
So squaring on both sides. So P square equal to squaring on
7
both
square.
sides. P square equal to 7m whole square.
7 and the whole square.
Next, P square equal to
49
do you
m square.
understand?
Ma'am,
As
49 M square. 49.
49 m square.
9m square. What is our P square? Equation 1. See equation 1.
7Q square.
Equation 1.
7 Q square.
7 Q square.
See all of you, p square equal to 7q square.
7q square, 7q square.
7q square. Good. 7q square equal to 49.
M square.
So,
49 m square.
equations
Q
for
square is
q
equal to
square
7
is
square.
equal
Ma'am, now
to
q square is equal to 49 by 7 by m square, ma'am.
49 by 7
square is
m
equal to
square.
7
How many times now?
M square.
7.
7 times,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
now 7 m square, ma'am. Q square is equal to 7 m square.
Q square is equal to 7 M square.
M square.
M square is equal to Q square by 7.
q
M
square
square
by
is equal to q
7.
square by 7.
Yes. Q
7 divides Q square and Q.
wait. According to theorem 1.
1.3. 7 is a prime number. It divides q square, ma'am.
Yes, 7 is the prime number. 7
7 divide Q
7
then
divides q square. Then 7 divides
7 divides Q also.
q
It
all.
divides q
7
also.
also.
Very good. So 7 is the one factor of. 7 is
Q, ma'am.
factor of which one? One factor of
Q.
q.
Q, ma'am. Q. Q.
So before we get
7 is a
one
common
factor
factor.
of q. Before
No,
we
7 is a common factor.
7
7 is the
common factor of P and
Now
Q.
we get 7 is the one factor of q. It means 7 is the common factor of 7
P and
is
Q.
the 7
P and
is
Q.
P
the
and Q, ma'am.
common factor of
P and Q.
P and Q. But our assumption P and Q are co-primes. Correct?
Co-primes.
They don't have common factor, but we get 7 is one common factor. Our assumption is
Our assumption is
Wrong,
wrong.
man. Our
our
assumption
Our
is
assumption
wrong.
is wrong,
So
so it
7
is
is
a
rational.
irrational number.
Our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? Rational number. Correct? Root 7 is rational number. So here we get root 7 is irrational. Reverse of our assumption. Root 7 is irrational.
Irrational.
Irrational. Hence proved. That's all. Do you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In same way, you can solve root 3, root 3 and root 2 or irrational numbers. This is homework. Irrational numbers. Solve and send me. Root 3 and root 2 are irrational.
Rational numbers.
Okay? Do you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is all about this today's class. Then you can continue the NTSC. Today madam will teach you blood relations complete topic. So now you can follow from here. Okay. Somebody is not there in meeting. Who is that? Akshaya is there. Aravind, Dileepan, Gardegayan, Kevin, Padmavarshini. I think Padmavarshini not there. Okay. You carry on. From here you can continue.
Next. NTSC. Blood relations. Write the question. First question is A is brother of. A is brother of B and B is wife of C. Wife of C. What is the relationship between? What is the relationship between A and C? What is question? A is the brother of C. How to represent brother? Brother means siblings, correct? It's gone. A is brother of B. Brother means male or female? Means
Male.
female. Female.
Male.
Brother means male or female? No, brother means male. Male means which symbol? Male means male symbol. Plus or minus? Male is
Last
plus,
class madam taught you correct, right?
female is minus. Okay? All of you remember the signs. Male is plus, female is minus. Okay? A is brother of B. Brother symbol. What is the sibling symbol? Pranav. What is the symbol for brother?
Everybody you should speak. Last class madam taught you correct. Brother, sister, siblings, father-in-law. What is this? Nobody is saying. Male is plus, female is minus. Again,
Father-in-law is wrong. See.
Ma'am, for brother underscore, ma'am.
Underscore or horizontal line. Correct? A is plus. A is male. Underscore or line. Okay? B. This is the brother symbol. A is brother of B. A is a sibling of B. Understand? Any doubt? This one. This is the sign for brother. Kevin. Nitina.
Ma'am.
You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
A is the brother of B. And what is the gender of B? Gender.
Ma'am, female, ma'am.
Female, ma'am. Minus.
Why is female?
Female, ma'am. Minus.
He married to someone. What is the spouse symbol? Spouse. Like approximately, correct? This is a symbol for spouse.
Yes, ma'am.
Married to C. B is the wife of C. What is the gender of C? Gender of C.
Male.
Male. C is the husband
ma'am.
of B. Correct? So what is the relationship between A and C? A and C. Relation. Brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask me. If anybody not understand, ask Akshaya. Respond.
Here A is brother of B. Brother means plus sign. Correct? Male. A plus. And brother symbol is underscore or line. Okay? B is wife of C. What is the B gender? Female. Wife means female. B is female. And wife. Wife means spouse. Spouse symbol is like approximate symbol. B wife of C. C is what is the C gender? B is the wife of C.
Male.
C is the husband
Male.
of B. C is the husband of B. What is the relationship between A and C? C is the
Brother-in-law.
brother-in-law of A and A is the brother-in-law of C.
C.
Do you understand? Shall I go to next sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Second question. B is wife of A and A is son of C. What is the relationship between B and C? Here we want relationship between B and C.
Mother-in-law, ma'am.
Mother-in-law. Who is mother? Mother-in-law? See,
Yeah, ma'am.
wait. B is wife.
No, ma'am. C, ma'am.
Symbol. Symbol. Gender
Minus.
symbol. Minus. Wife means what?
Minus.
Spouse, correct? Spouse of A. So what is the gender
A
of A? Gender. Gender of A.
Plus.
Plus.
Male.
And A is son of C. Son. Child and parent symbol. Vertical line. Correct? Vertical line. Brother siblings means horizontal line. Child and parent
Yes, ma'am.
symbol is vertical line. So A is son of C. Who is elder? Who is elder? C is elder. So elder is right in top. Okay. So C and A. C vertical line A. Do you understand this one? A is son of C. What is the gender of C? What is the gender of C?
Ma'am, both.
We don't know, correct? Cannot be determined.
Yes,
Suppose they
ma'am, we
are
don't-
asking what
Yes,
is the
ma'am, yes, ma'am.
gender of C. Can't be determined. Do you understand? Either father or mother of A. We don't know exactly, correct? Can't be determined. But what is the relationship between B and C? B and C, what is the relationship? B is the daughter-in-law of C. correct?
Daughter-in-law.
Yes, B is daughter-in-law of C.
C.
And C is either mother-in-law or father-in-law. C is either, we don't know gender, correct? Either mother-in-law or
Or
father-in-law. Law of whom?
B.
B. Do you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Third question. Somewhat big. C is only one daughter. Only one daughter. One daughter of A, and C is daughter-in-law of D, and D has only one son. C's daughter. C's daughter name is F. C's daughter name is F. First, draw the chain, blood relation chain. C is only daughter of A. C is only one daughter of A. How to draw? C is only one daughter of A. Please respond. C is only daughter of A.
C minus plus C minus
Vertical line A, correct?
Vertical line A.
What is the gender of A? We don't know. Okay? We don't know. Either father or mother. Correct? She is the only daughter. Only one daughter. How many sons A has? A has how many sons?
No, sir.
No
no
sons.
sons.
How can you say only one daughter? Only one daughter,
Okay.
not one child. Only one daughter. A has? We don't know how many sons. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? We are talking about only daughters. Okay? Only one daughter. Next. C is daughter-in-law of D.
D, ma'am.
It means C is married to someone. That someone is child of
That's
who?
someone's father, ma'am.
Father
Child
or
of-
mother of D.
Ma'am, that
Correct?
is someone's father or mother.
Father or mother is D. Correct? C is daughter-in-law of D.
D only their son, ma'am.
C is married to someone.
D is married to C, ma'am.
C is female. Married to someone is male or female? This person.
Ma'am, D, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
C is married to D.
Correct? It means this someone is husband of C. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
That someone's father or mother is D. Correct? We don't know gender about D. That someone's father or mother is D. Either father or mother, we don't know. Correct? Up to here, clear? Everyone, please respond. Any doubt means ask. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Dilipan, are you there, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Dilipan? Yalini? Are you there?
D has only one son. Next step. D has only one son. D has only one son. Do you understand? That son is husband of C. Okay, only one son. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
C's daughter name is F. C's daughter name is F. He has one daughter. That one name is F. Daughter, what is gender?
Female.
Minus, ma'am, female.
Yes. Okay. So questions are, how many daughters of D? How many daughters? How many daughters of D? How many daughters? D has only, here mentioned, D has only one son. How many daughters?
One, ma'am.
One.
No,
How
ma'am.
many you say one?
No,
don't
ma'am.
know.
No daughters.
We don't know, correct? D has here not mentioned. D has only one child. It not mentioned. D has only one son. We don't know about daughters, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many daughters? Can't be determined.
No.
Understand?
We don't know.
We don't know. Can't be determined. Answer is none. We don't know. Can't be determined. Do you understand this one? Next
Yes, ma'am.
question is, D has how many sons? How many sons of D?
One.
One.
One, ma'am.
D has only exactly one son. Okay? D has how many sons? Only one.
One.
son. Next.
One.
What is the relationship between F and D? F and D relationship. F and D.
Ma'am, grandfather. Grandfather.
Either grandfather or grandmother. Correct? F is the
Grandfather or mother, ma'am?
Yes, we don't know gender. D gender we don't know. F is granddaughter.
Grandfather.
Granddaughter.
Yes, ma'am.
Granddaughter of D or A.
D.
D means
Yes, ma'am.
paternal
Granddaughter
granddaughter.
of D.
Correct? F is maternal granddaughter of A. Correct? F is granddaughter of D and A. Do you understand? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No,
This one? Shall I go to next one? Next question. Right, next question. X is niece. N-I-E-C-E, niece of Y. And X brother. X has one brother. X brother is Z. What is the relationship between Y and Z? Y and Z. X is niece of Y. Niece is male or female? Do you know niece? Male or female?
Female, ma'am.
Female. See, X has some mother. Suppose X is like you. Your mother or father. Your mother or father's siblings. Sibling is Y. Do you understand this one? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
X is niece of Y. So X has parents, correct? So that parent siblings of Y. Like your aunt or uncle. Do you understand? X is niece of. Niece means minus. X is niece of Y. Do you understand? Any doubt? This one?
We respond already.
Letter relation little bit difficult.
See, it is difficult, but 5 questions will come. Very important. Try to means your level not that much difficulty questions will come, but you can learn.
X brother is Z. X brother is Z. Brother means which sign, Ra? Sign. Brother means
Underscore.
underscore. Correct. X brother is Z. Okay. What is the relationship between Y and Z? Z is male or female? Brother means male. So gender is
Male.
So what is
Male,
the
ma'am.
relationship between Y and Z?
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law. How can you say mother-in-law? See,
Ma'am, is that also Nisa, ma'am?
see, X is niece means suppose your mother's sister or brother, mother or father, sister or brother. Suppose you take your mother, father or sister. Suppose your father or brother, mother or father, either for mother or father you take. This is the symbol for you and your parents' relation, correct? Do you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your mother and father has some siblings, correct? Siblings means brother or sister. What is the representation? Horizontal line, correct? Brother or sister, either brother or sister. Do you understand? Someone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the relationship between you and that sister, your mother siblings? What is the relation?
Uncle or aunt.
Uncle or auntie to you, correct? So you are
Yes,
the,
ma'am.
suppose you are male. Male means you are the nephew of your aunt, correct? You are the nephew of your aunt. Do you understand? Suppose you are female. Female means you are the niece of your aunt. Do you understand? Niece
Yes,
of
ma'am.
your aunt. This one understand? Any doubt? You and your auntie relation, you and your uncle relation. Okay? Do you
Okay,
understand?
ma'am.
Okay, not sons, not daughters. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
See, X is niece of Y. X is like you. X has some parents, like your parents. Niece of Y. Y is your aunt or uncle. Do you understand? Y is your sibling of. Y is sibling of your parents. Sibling means underscore Y. Y, we don't know gender. Y gender, we don't know. Either male or female. Okay? What is the relationship between X and Y? What is the relationship?
Father or mother, ma'am?
Either father or mother. In Tamil, you take mother's sister is Periyamma, something, correct? But English aunt
ma'am.
and uncle. And Periyamma's sons is your brother. You called Anna Akka, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But don't call Anna Akka. You are your cousins only.
They all are
Okay.
same thing, cousin.
Cousins.
No, Anna.
And they are not sons to your mother. They are niece or nephew. Okay? In English, no brothers, no sisters. Only your siblings, only your brothers and sisters.
See, your Periyamma, Periyappa, sons and all, your nephew, what is, we can say that? Your
Nephew,
cousins
niece.
only. You understand? They are not your own brothers. Only your, means along with you, your means own father, own mother means
Means
they are
the
only
nephew,
called as
sir.
brothers and sisters. Is it
Okay,
okay? Ra?
your siblings only, your brother and sister. Remaining people are cousins to you. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, not cousin brother, cousin sister, not only cousin. Okay, X is niece or nephew. Niece, here given niece means minus. Niece of your aunt. Do you understand? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. X brother is Z. X brother means X own sibling. Siblings, X sibling is underscore Z. Here brother means plus sign. What is the relationship between Y and Z? Y and Z.
Ma'am,
Your niece, your
ma'am, uncle.
brother is,
Uncle.
your brother is nephew of Y, correct? Do you understand? Suppose you are female, your brother is male. So male means nephew. Nephew of Y. Y is aunt or uncle. Y is either aunt or uncle. We don't know gender. So either aunt or uncle of Z and Y. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. You can say this answer. A is uncle of F. A is uncle of F. F is brother of C. F is brother of C. What is the relationship between A and C? What is the relationship between A and C? Relation. A is uncle of F. A has some parents. What is the relation? Parents. Vertical line. Parents, correct?
Same uncle only, no, ma'am.
Same. A is uncle. So your parents sibling, correct? Your parents siblings. Your parent sibling is your uncle. We don't know either mother's brother or father's brother. We don't know. Okay. A has some parents. A parents brother is F. A is uncle. Sorry. A is uncle of F. F has some F parents brother is A. So what is the relationship between F and A?
Uncle only.
Uncle only.
Ma'am, uncle or aunt, ma'am?
Uncle or here mentioned uncle. Uncle. A is the uncle of F. So F is niece or nephew. Niece or nephew. We don't know.
Nephew.
But see second statement. F is brother.
F is brother of
F is
nephew.
brother means male, correct? So F is
Nephew, ma'am.
Nephew. Suppose F is
Ma'am, it can be our own brother also, no, ma'am. Ma'am, F is brother of C means it can be our own brother also, no.
F is brother, yes, own brother. F is nephew of A. Do you understand this one? Next, F is brother of C. What is the representation? Brother means underscore C, correct?
F underscore C.
So what is the relationship between C and A? C and A relationship.
A is the aunt of C and
C is the nephew or niece of A. A is uncle of C. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, understand? C is either niece or nephew. We don't know gender. Either niece or nephew. Nephew of A. Do you understand? Shall I go to next one?
yes, ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, do you want next time, Ra? Wait,
Yes, sir.
last one, all of you answer. It is very nice. If you're involving, it is very good. If you're doing interest, okay, we are also having more interest. If you're not feeling well, okay, it's not.
A is
Try to think, give work to your brain.
A is brother of C and D is aunt of A, and D has only one daughter E. It means E is the daughter of D. Do you understand this one? Next, what is the
Yes,
relationship
ma'am.
between E and A? E and A relationship.
Sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law wrong. Sister-in-law wrong.
Cousin, ma'am.
Cousin.
Uncle is wrong. Cousin. Who said cousin?
Cousin.
Cousin is wrong.
Cousin, ma'am.
Cousin
Yes,
is
ma'am.
correct. Cousin is correct. Cousin is correct. A is brother of C. Suppose A is brother of C. Brother means plus or minus.
Plus.
Brother means
Plus underscore C.
Underscore C, good. Next, D is aunt of A. D is aunt of me means A as mother, father. Mother, father, sibling is D.
D.
Okay, your father, mother, siblings. D. So D gender. D gender is what? D gender.
Female.
Female.
Minus.
Minus. D has only one daughter. E. D has only one daughter. So what is the relation? Representation.
Aunt's daughter, ma'am.
E. Correct? So E is female. What is the relationship between E and A and C and E?
A is the cousin of E.
A is cousin of E and C is cousin of E. We don't want gender. Okay, simply called cousin. Do you understand? Don't call sister and brother, only cousin. Do you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Do you understand all of you? So with this, we will stop the today's class. Thank you all of you.